amazing peacock facts that will leave you speechless. Peacocks are among the most beautiful and fascinating birds on Earth. Their shimmering feathers, graceful movements, and colorful displays have amazed people for thousands of years. Often seen as symbols of beauty, pride, and royalty, peacocks are much more than their stunning appearance. Here are 25 incredible facts that reveal why peacocks are truly one of the world's most extraordinary birds. Peacocks are not born colorful baby peafowl, called peachicks, hatch with soft yellow and brown feathers. These dull colors help them blend into their surroundings and avoid predators. Male chicks do not develop their famous colorful feathers until they are around 3 years old. 2. Their tail is not actually their tail. The magnificent display people call a peacock's tail is actually a collection of long upper tail coverts. The real tail is much shorter and hidden underneath. It acts as a support that lifts the decorative feathers during courtship displays. 3. They belong to the pheasant family. Peafowl are members of the pheasant family, known scientifically as Phasianidae. Their closest relatives include pheasants, turkeys, quails, and jungle fowl. 4. There are only 3 species despite their worldwide popularity. There are only 3 species of peafowl: Indian peafowl, green peafowl, Congo peafowl. The Indian peafowl is the most common and recognizable species. 5. Their colors are created by light. Peacock feathers contain microscopic structures that reflect and scatter light. This phenomenon, known as structural coloration, creates the brilliant blue, green, and turquoise colors. The feathers contain very little blue pigment. 6. A peacock can have over 200 tail feathers. An adult male can grow more than 200 decorative feathers in his train. Every year after the breeding season, these feathers naturally fall out and grow back before the next mating season. 7. The eyes on their feathers have a purpose. The colorful eye-shaped patterns, called ocelli, help attract females. Studies suggest that peahens often prefer males with larger, healthier displays containing more eye spots. 8. They perform amazing courtship dances during mating season. Males spread their feathers into a giant fan and shake them rapidly. This creates shimmering waves of color and subtle vibrations that females can detect even when they cannot clearly see the display. 9. Peacocks can fly. Although they spend much of their time walking on the ground, peacocks are capable of strong, short flights. They usually fly into tall trees at night to stay safe from predators. Of the 10, they are surprisingly fast. Peafowl can run at speeds of around 16 kilometers, 10 miles per hour. Their strong legs help them escape danger quickly. 11. They have powerful legs. Their legs are muscular and built for running. Male peacocks also possess sharp spurs that they use to defend themselves against rivals and predators. 12. Peafowl are omnivores. Their diet includes seeds, fruits, flowers, insects, ants, termites, small reptiles, frogs, tiny snakes. This varied diet helps them survive in many environments. 13. They help farmers. Peafowl naturally control insect populations by eating pests that damage crops. In some regions, they are welcomed because they reduce harmful insects. 14. Their calls are extremely loud. A peacock's call can travel over a kilometer in open areas. These loud cries warn other birds about danger and help males attract females during breeding season. 15. They sleep high above the ground at sunset. Peafowl fly into tall trees to roost. Sleeping above the ground protects them from predators such as foxes, dogs, and wildcats. 16. Females choose the best males. Peahens carefully observe multiple males before selecting a mate. They often choose males with the healthiest feathers, strongest displays, and greatest number of eye spots. 17. Baby peachicks can walk almost immediately. Within just a few hours of hatching, peachicks can walk and follow their mother. This ability helps them avoid predators in the wild. 18. They have excellent vision. Peafowl possess remarkable eyesight. They can detect movement from long distances and even see ultraviolet light, allowing them to notice feather details invisible to humans. 19. They can live for many years. In the wild, peafowl usually live between 10 and 15 years. With proper care in captivity, they may live for over 20 years. White peacocks are not albinos. White peacocks are usually born with a genetic condition called leucism, which reduces feather pigmentation while allowing normal eye color. True albino peacocks are extremely rare. 21. They are national symbols. The Indian peafowl is the national bird of India. It symbolizes grace, beauty, pride, and cultural heritage, and appears in many works of art, literature, and traditional celebrations. 22. Peacocks have appeared in myths for thousands of years. Many ancient civilizations admired peacocks. In Greek mythology, the bird was associated with the goddess Hera. In many Asian cultures, peacocks symbolize wisdom, protection, prosperity, and good fortune. 23. Their feathers produce vibrations. When a peacock shakes his display, the feathers vibrate at a special frequency. Scientists believe these vibrations may provide additional signals that impress females during courtship. 24. They are highly intelligent birds. Peafowl quickly learn where to find food, recognize familiar people, remember safe locations, and adapt to changing environments. They can also communicate using different calls depending on the situation. 25. Habitat loss threatens some species. While the Indian peafowl remains widespread, other species, especially the green peafowl, face serious threats from habitat destruction, hunting, and illegal wildlife trade. Conservation efforts are helping protect these magnificent birds for future generations. Bonus facts: peacocks enjoy dust baths to keep their feathers clean. They can recognize approaching predators quickly. Males become much quieter outside the breeding season. Their feathers are naturally water resistant. Every feather grows back after the annual molt. Groups of peafowl are sometimes called a party or an ostentation. Conclusion: peacocks are far more than beautiful birds with colorful feathers. They are intelligent, adaptable, and remarkably skilled survivors. From their dazzling courtship dances and unique feather structures to their impressive eyesight and fascinating behaviors, every aspect of a peacock's life demonstrates the incredible diversity of nature. These magnificent birds remind us that beauty often serves an important purpose in the natural world. Their brilliant displays help them attract mates, communicate, and showcase their health and strength. At the same time, their ability to fly, run, detect predators, and adapt to different habitats makes them successful survivors. Protecting peafowl and their habitats is essential for preserving one of the world's most iconic bird species. By learning about these amazing creatures, we gain a greater appreciation for the wonders of wildlife and the importance of conserving Earth's incredible biodiversity for generations to come.